not sure why I'm speaking to you. I'm not sure why you're listening either. But I guess we found each other. I hope you're interesting enough. Because if you're not, then I don't think this will work. I feel like we're so far away from each other. And I feel like I'm walking on a road with my eyes closed. And for some reason, I feel like I'm trusting you even if I have not met you before. But I guess here we are. In this waiting room. I feel like I should ask you something. But then I'm not sure what. I'm not sure what to ask you. I'm not sure what kind of stories you're comfortable with hearing either. I'm being squeezed by the silence of everything else. And but I do have a good feeling about this. I'm just not sure where to begin. But I'm not scared. I'm just confused a bit. But I'm surprisingly calm. I'm not very used to speaking with strangers. And I feel like my thoughts are running away from me. I'm trying to put an anchor somewhere, but then I'm not entirely sure what's happening. It feels so quiet in my head for some reason. I'm not used to this. I'm not used to this. Why is it so quiet up here? It's so weird because apparently I can quiet my the inside of my head. I just discovered it now, today, because it feels so quiet. I am the only voice I am hearing, and the thoughts, I'm not sure where they are. I'm not sure if this is an accomplishment or a handicap that I discovered that I'm capable of doing this. It feels so quiet. This is such a foreign landscape that I found myself in, and I'm not sure if I've built the pair of feet that is required to walk on this territory. I'm not sure how the gravity works in here. Because right now, it's so silent in my head. What am I experiencing exactly? I will never hear from you. You're not. I'm not even sure who I'm speaking to. I just know that I would like to speak about things and my friends are busy. But you're here. Why are you here? Why? Are your friends busy as well? Where are you going? Where are you going? I'm not staying here for very long, though. That I'm sure at least. I'm just gonna explore this, I guess. But I'm not planning to stay here. I'm just gonna see what kind of gems I might discover here, and apparently there are gems because now I have just discovered one. The one about how my head can just be quiet and calm. I don't feel like I'm missing out on something, which is a very foreign feeling, I think. But I guess you will hear from me. You will hear from me if you decide to cross or walk this way again. I have some things that I want to speak about. I just have to get used to this space, I think. But if you don't walk this way again, I will still be speaking, just not to you, I guess. Because I have a lot of stories or thoughts or things I notice about the world. It feels like this waiting area is the entire world. But I do know that it's not at the same time. Yeah, I guess. I'm not sure where my curiosity will take me. But I really do hope that you're interesting enough. Because if your heart is closed, or your mind, or both, then are you even alive still? I feel like a house with just one window open, because we still don't know each other, and I need some space or time to warm up. So maybe you can feel that I'm a bit far away, because I am. I think so. I feel so. But don't worry, it's not exclusive to you. I'm even far away. I can be even far away even with the people who have known me for years, I think. So it's nothing personal, really. If you feel like I'm distant, you're probably right, but it's nothing personal. Yeah, I guess I can stop for now. Because I need to stop at some point to feel like I'm turning the page and I can actually tell something that reached me. A story or something. But yeah, we met. It's nice meeting you, and I guess it helps that if you don't know my name and I don't know yours, I guess that way it will be easier.